One thing only I believe in life. Your passion defines your purpose. Hello everyone! It's me again, Charlyn, and welcome back to my channel. So our video for today guys is quite different dahil sa isang trending app ngayon online na apparently caught my attention. At curious lang ako kung bakit nga ba ito nag-trend. Anong meron? Well, out of curiosity, I tried to use this app. And believe me, ang ganda ng application na ito guys. Kaya gusto ko rin itong i-share sa inyo. Kung ikaw ay mahilig mag-post sa TikTok, Instagram at Facebook at gusto mo ng outstanding effects and transitions, well, I think this is the best app for you. At ang application na tinutukoy ko ay walang iba ay ang Tempo app. Tempo is the best music video editor with amazing effects and transitions. Kaya ito kinababaliwan ng lahat guys. At marami din itong iba't ibang template na pwede nating pagpipilian guys. Just like love, lyric, emoji, cartoon, and so on. With Tempo, you can easily add music to video, create cool videos with photos, and make cartoon videos. And just like me, I know you'll be impressed by their flashy transitions and unique effects that will add spark to your video and inspire your creativity. Okay, I know that you're excited to know how to use this app, so without further ado, let's move on to our video tutorial. Okay, let's begin. So just download Tempo app from Play Store for Android and App Store for iOS users. Right after you download, just click open and then proceed. At dito guys, makikita natin yung terms and conditions. So just click agree and then we are in. So welcome to Tempo and then just click continue and then find your interest. And then click continue again and we can start. Since wala pa tayong subscription guys, so we can use for now the 3 days free trial. Ayan, nandito na tayo sa dashboard and you can see here guys a lot of templates na pwede natin gamitin. So just scroll down and you can find more templates. At meron din sila ditong iba pang categories guys, just like male all face, popular, new, TikTok, animations, love, friends, anime, beats, lyrics, sad, meme, K-pop, world, effects, festival, and so on. So marami tayong pagpipilian dito guys. But before we start creating our first template guys, ay kailangan muna nating i-allow si Tempo app to use our storage and access our photos. Just click allow and we are good to go. Okay, now let's try creating one and let's use this pop dance which is trending ngayon sa TikTok. So you just need to unlock the template by watching the ad. And after that guys, just click agree and continue and you can now start uploading your photo. So just choose from your gallery and upload it. Pagkatapos nun may lalabas siya na ads, just watch the ads and then it will come up this box. So magra-run siya until it will get full. Ayan, so malapit na. Once na mapuno na yan guys, tapos na yung ating template. Okay. Ayan, so hintayin lang natin. And that's it. You can now share to your other social media platforms just like TikTok, Facebook, or Instagram. Okay, let's check the final output. Oh my god, I did not expect that, guys. Ang ganda. Mukhang masyado akong na-impress dun sa una, guys. So, let's try another one. So, itong Miss Filipino. Yes, I am a Filipino. So, same procedure. Just click agree to unlock, watch the ads, and then upload your photo. Okay, so, again, let's wait. Minsan may lalabas dyan, guys, na rate us. You can skip or you can also rate them if you want. Ayan, ready na ang ating template. So, tingnan naman natin. Wow, ako ba talaga yan? This is beyond expectations, guys. And there is more. At may pa-portrait pa. And that's it. Ganon kaganda ang application na ito, guys. And I'm so happy with this app. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have any comment, you may comment down below. And aside from that, if you want to watch other video just like earning money online, you may also browse my channel. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to click the subscribe button below and tap the notification bell for more upcoming videos. Have a great day, everyone, and see you on the next one.